leave there at 12.
What's this?
Oh, 12 mil. I thought you were expecting to
Yes.
disassemble.
I could, but I'm holding the camera. Funny looking intake pipe down there.
Yeah. Got 4 mil.
So what's going on?
Currently taking off the intake manifold. 10 mil. It's gone. It's not coming back.
What are we doing?
Just turn the light on so he's not working in the dark.
Good stuff.
Great idea. Can you give me a 12 mil span?
Can you have two on the bench here? Just one enough.
I wish it would just come out easier, really.
That's right, that's right. Make it there and stay. You need a banjo bolt? No, it's not going to work. We need to go from this to that in a 90. So you need...
I've got 2 bolts. There's one above the left hand. Oh, this is like underneath.
We're coming back down.
I reckon. No, that's alright. That's right this side.
Alright, come back. How's it hitting on this? Kind of moved.
Got these hoses underneath. Might be on the wrong side of the bracket. The bracket's got to sit.
No, but I mean, it's hitting this and it's like,
Oh,
it's come
how
forward.
the fuck did it come?
No,
How was it
that didn't
built?
move. That didn't move.
Nah.
No, but look, it does.
Yeah.
Tell me the logic, sir. You keep going.
I can cut it right back.
Okay.
It's gonna be plugged anyway. Once that's cut off, we'll have quite a bit of room to get the bend in. Yeah. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
Really, just full of roids and fucking blow it one day.
That's like respectable, and this is just like gym junkie.
Actual disgrace.
Could blow it any day. Punch holes in his plaster. Block, I mean.
Washy boy.
Nagasaki noisy boy.
Can you write Nagasaki?
Fucking me, cunt.
Hey, my turbo!
This camera definitely needs a wide angle.
That's what you call that into there. Bi-turbo.
That's docking, mate.
Docking.
Aluminium shit with like.
That's all it needs to be, really.
Hey,
I don't think we've tried them before and they just break off, I think.
are you sure?
Chuck them in there, I'll try.
You can really get over that down too. Right.
You can grab me a pair of vice grips. Them ones.
Here at Ditto Garage, we strictly follow the OE manufacturer service manual for installation and dismantling.
Good English, dickhead.
It's been a long day. I really had to think about that one.
It's been a long day of trying to find old mate.
Hey, it's gonna work. You wanna hold this up and down?
Yeah, Ditto tag team kinematic shots.
Oh, nearly there. Keep it in the hole, we need a bit of downwards pressure.
Just don't put it in the wrong hole. Get a screwdriver under there and just pop it up. Like once you retract it. You see that spark?
Yeah!
And it's that simple, ladies and
No,
gentlemen.
we're gonna take it off again, I can wipe it.
It's that simple.
Take the front housing off.
We're gonna have to take it off again.
Oh, okay.
Press the weld just on. Fucking potato.
I can't believe they sell bolt-on kits for these.
Oh no,
It's just crazy.
How cool is it?
We've been at this for like 10 minutes and look at the progress we made.
Daniel's a dickhead.
Don't spoil my secrets.
Don't reveal his name.
The YouTube viewers.
Don't reveal his name. YouTube knows him as Discovery.
Yeah.
That's it.
I'm anonymous.
You're gonna get doxed now.
You're gonna be at my house. Where's the videos on the H6? We need them.
Where's me, Virginia?
I've got one of these cars. It makes 150 kilowatts stock motor.
It makes 180 kilowatts, man.
That's what Google says!
Who made your headers? I need them.
Alright, take your house and I'll fuck it. I'll turn the light on.
Using correct PPE.
Yes.
Do you want me to call him or fit back up?
Hey!
Bolt on?
No. Wait a second. Bring it up a bit more.
Take it out.
No.
Can I come out?
I guess so. Yeah, come out.
Was it or not?
Lower the hoist down.
Weird looking closet.
down, cunt. No, it's not high enough for safety. That'll do, donk here. Check me out, a little hammer I just had. Back to the toolbox probably. Then we'll get down and nice and screw it ourselves.
Cameraman, can you get a 10 mil?
I can get a 10 mil. 10 mil spanner. There's a real tiny spanner.
Where's the 11? Up, get it in the right spot.
Just tighten that turbo with it.
Yeah, get to the turbo stuff, yank one of the fucking dumps, get all this one back.
Do we? There was a hanger on the long exhaust. Can you see how that lines up?
Nowhere near.
Oh shit, I didn't see that.
So you cut it with your thumb.
Yeah.
So we can move it forward and twist it up.
Alright.
Just set it forward.
Oh, you know, appreciate this artwork.
Why are we so low on the waist lag?
I'm gonna find some shit.
Yeah, it's the ratchet spanner for a wrist.
We've got an electric ratchet somewhere.
Yeah, it's up in the engine bay.
Oh, fuck. I think it's been a good 3 hours since I filmed last.
Done exactly.
And it actually doesn't look like we've made any progress since then.
Fucking unfortunate. The hard bits are done.
Yeah.
So you had some fittings and then finished it. Gold right here.